So welcome to Shed 2.0. As you can see, got 300 in here. The 1085. I've been gonna do a video on this, and unfortunately, the shed I built last year burned down. Here's some tires. Luckily, the combine was not in it, but I had a bunch of chickens in the tractor, and here's the other side. You can see I already got tires on it. I was going to do a video before, but I've been fighting with Google for fix my passwords and all this garbage. And I've just been busy trying to get the shed built again. So you can see everything that's melted on here. All the wiring. Some of it looks okay, but other you can see is melted. Starter. Cables. Belts are still good, but most of the shroud is missing. You can see the seat. I've been working on the 3.2 because that's always been an issue. I got a panel off the top, and you can see all the gauges broken out and everything. Did replace the oil pressure gauge. It's leaking oil all over. See, everything in here is all burnt, crispy. All the lights are gone. So hopefully I can get it going again. Just wanted to kind of do a quick video what's going on with it. I was going to do it on the 300 this year, but didn't have time. Worked good. So maybe if I get the 3-point running, I'll have a plowing picture, but we'll see. I couldn't end up plowing. Couldn't get the 3-point to work right. So I went out and dug. Well, the tractor sounds pretty good, ran good. Ran it for probably 2.5 hours or so. Brilliant. Didn't spin or nothing, so we rubbed her up a little bit and hear the sound, or we can do is check oil pressure. Run pretty good. Hopefully get 3.6. So it's probably a little harder to hear, but I ran it 2.5 hours, didn't overheat. Everything's working other than a 3-point. So I don't know if I really want to work, I don't know, all the work I have to do to this thing. And I don't know if I want to split it again to do the 3-point. Yeah, I did this tractor probably 20 years ago for my dad. And then I got it last summer, did my field work, and then the shed burned down. So I at least got it working and was able to go out and do some work with it today. So no cushions, made it a little rough, but we got through it. So yeah, hopefully do a couple more videos on this tractor, working on it, or whenever, I don't know. Hopefully this winter, maybe get to doing some of it. We'll see, but I'll keep you informed and let you know. Thanks for watching.